guys, welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video we'll be seeing how to make a paper french fries holder. So this is a very easy way of making a paper french fries holder, and it is a very useful tool, and whenever you make french fries at home you can store it in this. So for this we need a square piece of red paper. So the first step is that I'm folding it diagonally like this. Now I'm taking one corner of this and I'm folding it to the bottom corner. Like this. Now I'm taking the other corner and I'm folding it to the bottom again like this. Now I'm taking a glue bottle and I'm opening this part and I'm gluing it here and I'm closing it again. So I'm gluing it. So after I'm done gluing, I'm taking one part from the top and I'm squeezing it into the french fries holder. Now I'm pressing it from the top. Now I'm taking the other part and I'm squeezing it again inside. Now I'm pressing it. So the next step is that we have to draw M. So I've already drawn M. You guys can draw it in an yellow color paper. So I'm applying glue on this M. So after I'm done applying glue, I'm sticking it onto the holder. So now our paper french fries holder is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!